Is your Tesla Model 3 not charging to 100? This is often due to the charge limit setting, which is designed to protect your battery's long-term health. Lithium-ion batteries degrade over time, and Tesla's battery management system intentionally limits charging to prevent overcharge and imbalance. The BMS acts as the brain, monitoring cell health and enforcing limits. Software glitches can also cause inaccurate charge readings. We'll explain how to diagnose and address these issues to maximize your range and battery life. The Battery Management System, or BMS, serves as the brain of your Tesla Model 3's battery pack. It's a sophisticated electronic system that constantly monitors and controls the battery's performance to ensure safety, efficiency, and longevity. At the heart of every Tesla Model 3 is a large battery pack containing thousands of individual lithium-ion cells. The BMS acts as the central control system for this entire pack, coordinating all the battery's operations. The BMS performs several critical monitoring functions. It continuously tracks the health of individual battery cells, monitors voltage levels across the pack, measures temperatures to prevent overheating, and enforces charge limits to protect the battery from damage. One of the BMS's most important tasks is calibrating voltage readings to provide an accurate state of charge estimation. This tells you how much energy remains in your battery as a percentage. When the BMS becomes miscalibrated, it can provide inaccurate readings. For example, it might report that your battery is fully charged at 100% when the actual state of charge is lower, preventing you from reaching the true capacity. Tesla addresses BMS calibration issues through regular software updates and over-the-air fixes. When problems occur, service centers can perform BMS resets to recalibrate the system and restore accurate readings. Tesla recommends not charging to 100% daily to extend battery life by 10 to 20%. This practice helps prevent battery degradation over time. Use the Tesla app's battery health feature to monitor degradation and adjust charge limits proactively. This allows you to track your battery's condition and make informed decisions. Maintaining a charge between 50 to 80% is optimal for long-term battery health, especially in hot climates where heat accelerates degradation. However, periodically charging to 100% is still necessary for BMS calibration to ensure accurate battery monitoring. If your Model 3 isn't charging fully, start by checking your charge limit in the Tesla app. Access the charging settings to see the current limit and ensure it's set appropriately for your needs. Next, try lowering the charge limit to 80% or 90%, then raise it back to 100%. This simple reset can recalibrate the system and resolve software glitches. If the issue persists, perform a full discharge cycle. Drive your vehicle until the range indicator shows near zero, which helps reset the battery management system. Then, supercharge to 100% multiple times, typically 3 sessions at a supercharger. This recalibrates the voltage readings and can restore full charging capability. After these steps, monitor the charging behavior using the Tesla app's battery health feature. Watch for any anomalies and ensure the vehicle charges consistently to 100%. If problems continue despite these fixes, schedule a service appointment at a Tesla service center. Technicians can perform a professional BMS reset, which often resolves persistent charging issues. Extreme cold below 20 degrees Fahrenheit or -6 degrees Celsius can temporarily reduce battery capacity by limiting chemical reactions in the battery cells. To maximize range in cold weather, precondition your battery by charging and heating the vehicle while plugged in, warming the battery to optimal temperature before driving. Aggressive driving with rapid acceleration and braking accelerates battery degradation by increasing stress on battery cells and reducing overall lifespan. Frequent fast charging also accelerates degradation as high currents generate more heat and stress the battery chemistry over time. Use regenerative braking to recapture energy during deceleration, converting kinetic energy back to electrical energy and improving overall range efficiency. Scheduled charging during off-peak hours helps maintain battery health by avoiding peak demand periods and allowing the battery to charge at more moderate rates. These habits directly impact battery health over time, as shown by the degradation curve, where aggressive use leads to faster capacity loss. A 2019 Model 3 owner experienced charging limits at 80% after 100,000 miles due to BMS misalignment. After visiting a Tesla service center for a BMS reset and receiving a software update, the vehicle regained 95% charge capability. The range improved from 240 miles to 280 miles, demonstrating how software fixes can restore battery performance. In another case, a Model 3 became stuck at 70% charge due to a persistent BMS issue. The owner resolved it by driving the vehicle to 0% range, then supercharging to 100% 3 times in succession. Finally, performing a reset through the service menu restored full charging capability without needing hardware intervention. Tesla is increasingly integrating AI for predictive BMS adjustments based on driving patterns. The adoption of 4680 cells in newer Model 3s has reduced charging issues. Future solid-state batteries promise faster charging and reduced degradation. By 2030, Tesla's battery tech may eliminate charge limits entirely, focusing on adaptive charging based on real-time data.